in vivid black. As you know, it comes with a 114 cubic inch 6-speed transmission. Previous owner added Vance & Hines competition exhaust with a performance Vance & Hines air cleaner. You got the highway bar, added LED lights. Really, you gotta come in, sit on it, check out the bars for yourself. But highlighted items are the Legend suspension up front, paired with the RWD rear suspension. This bike's really well set up with a Saddleman seat. And we're open 6 days a week. Come take it for a spin, see how it looks in your driveway, and we will see you when you get here.